Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Moving a specific word to the end of a string in Java is fast and easy if you understand how substring indexing works. Let's go. First, we need to isolate the part of the phrase that comes before our target word. Since the word starts at index, we use substring from 0 to index to grab it. Next, we must skip over the word itself to get the remaining tail of the phrase. We do this by starting a new substring at index plus the length of the word. Finally, concatenate the front part, the back part, and the word. This logic matches option A. You solved it like a pro. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush by checking indices. Trust given lengths to find the correct substrings.